ceiling. Get two at a time. Oh.
My dad is vacuuming flies off the ceiling.
He is vacuuming.
There you go. Oh.
It's so funny.
Oh, man. You got enough of it.
Come on in, man.
Oh, man.
He's chasing flies.
I'm like, look at a genie.
Suck you in the genie?
There you go.
He's vacuuming flies up here on the ceiling.
There you go.
One.
Oh, man. It's great. There you go.
The fan, Dad.
Come on. Yeah.
He's vacuuming flies.
There you go. Then go in. There you go.
The light bulb.
Light bulb, Dad. What is on the light bulb? The flies might like it.
Don't move, don't move, don't move.
The flies might like it when the light bulb is on. Wow, look at all these flies. Oh my gosh.
Don't break it.
Amber, there's more flies up here.
What?
Wow, you're gonna have 1 dozen flies.
Bah, bah. So, tell me about your experience.
What that?
Oh my gosh.
Ronnie, you know you did that on...
I didn't know that was the light one. So
Oh,
I,
please.
So I turned on the light to make all the flies go on it because they like the light.
So how was your experience, Dad?
Good.
Is this fun for you?
Huh?
Now they're learning, though.
Put it on you too, buddy. Ain't nobody listening. Look at the rainbow.
Tell them the rainbow.
He's vacuuming flies, everybody.
You better stop. They're close. Oh man, why do you? Come over here. Okay, let's count. Ah. Ah.
There's be holes in the ceiling.
Well, I guess they know
There's
where I
one
am.
up here. They like flies.
You have to sneak up behind them.
Oh man.
No, you have to move so fast. But look. Fly everywhere. Flies over here, flies over there. Dang.